Let's turn to the other big mover. That is Amazon, blowing past Wall Street's estimates in the second quarter, delivering the biggest earnings beat since February of 2021. The company showing resilience in its e-commerce business, which had dipped into the red last year after massive growth during the pandemic.
Hi everyone. Welcome to Clone Compounding, where our mission is to learn from others in order to achieve financial independence.
Amazon recently reported its Q2 2023 earnings. In this video, let's take a look at the top 5 takeaways from the earnings call under 5 minutes. Let's get started. Takeaway 1: Revenue growth. Net sales increased 11% to $134.4 billion in the second quarter, compared with $121.2 billion in second quarter 2022. Analyst expectation for revenue was around $131.6 billion. This is significant growth considering the consumer spending and recession fears. Takeaway 2: Operating and net income. Operating income increased to $7.7 billion in the second quarter, compared with $3.3 billion in second quarter 2022. Also, analyst expectation was $4.72 billion. So, operating income beat expectations by over 60%. Net income was $6.7 billion in the second quarter, or 65 cents earnings per diluted share. This compared with a net loss of $2 billion, or 20 cents per diluted share, in second quarter 2022. Again, earnings per share, EPS, estimated was 34 cents, so beat by almost 90%. Andy Jassy, CEO of Amazon, said that, "It was another strong quarter of progress for Amazon. We continued lowering our cost to serve in our fulfillment network, while also providing Prime customers with the fastest delivery speeds we've ever recorded." If you find this video useful, please smash that like button and consider to subscribe. Takeaway 3: Amazon Web Services growth. Amazon Web Services hit it out of the park with sales growing by 12% to over $22 billion. It is very likely that AWS will hit $100 billion in sales in 2023. On AWS, Andy said, "Our AWS growth stabilized as customers started shifting from cost optimization to new workload deployment, and Oz has continued to add to its meaningful leadership position in the cloud with a slew of generative AI releases." Takeaway 4: Third-party seller services and advertising business. Third-party seller services, which is much higher margin than first-party services, accounted for $32.3 billion in Q2 and makes up more than 60% of the e-commerce revenue. It is also growing at very healthy pace of 18%. Advertising, another high-margin business, hit $10.7 billion in Q2 and is growing at 22%. Both these high-margin businesses have significant potential and will continue to grow for years along with AWS. Takeaway 5: Q3 forward guidance. In addition to spectacular Q2 results, Amazon also shared positive guidance for Q3. Net sales are expected to be between $138 billion and $143 billion, or to grow between 9% and 13% compared with third quarter 2022. Operating income is expected to be between $5.5 billion and $8.5 billion, compared with $2.5 billion in third quarter 2022.
For now, that's it from us. Hope you enjoyed and learned from this video. Smash that like button and subscribe to receive more videos on memos and write-ups from top investors. Thanks for watching.